at A&B and I'm standing with Paul here from Matrix Coventry. So you've flown all the way over here, Paul, to exhibit your amazing grinding machines at A&B, haven't you?
Yes, that's correct. We try and do as many international exhibits as possible. We're a global supplier into the marketplace. With a brand like Matrix, we've been going over 100 years.
Wow.
People like to see us. And we like to display the new technologies from thread grinders to gear grinders.
So where do your machines sit in the marketplace then?
They're towards the top end of the market. We're renowned for precision grinding, whether it's on gears or threads. And threads are naturally our historic background and very proven industry.
Now you said about being at the top end of the market, and I can see that you've got a Filtermist on the top of your machine here. Why have you chosen Filtermist?
Matrix, we pride ourselves on quality equipment, and we appreciate that the working environment is important not only for the customers and the operators, and we find that using the Filtermist units, they're reliable, they do the job, and we don't have to worry about it. And we have the local service that's available around the globe. It's a key factor of using Filtermist.
Do you feel that they integrate well into your machines, and why?
They do integrate well. We obviously have to get involved with the design and make sure that the airflow is correct and they are actually performing as required. So putting them onto the machines, just a bit of thought that goes into it. But once they're on, up and running, there's no problems.
Do you think it's an essential part of the filtration systems, like what Filtermist you've got on your machine?
I think with any modern industry, you have to be aware of the environment and the welfare of the workforce. So by using a correct filtration system, reducing the particles in the air, it goes with the quality of our machines, and it makes it a more enjoyable working environment for the end users.
And do you think it helps your machine for its own longevity, keeping the accuracies? Is there a benefit to the machine itself as well as the user?
It helps to keep the residue out of the machine and take it away and put it back through the filtration system.
So you definitely recommend it?
I would certainly recommend having Filtermist.